Greetings from North Point Residential School, Silguri. It's a very wonderful and a busy morning out here. And as you can see, the students of class 9, 10 and 11 has gathered up for the Poshan Pakwada. And actually, we do not know what Poshan Pakwada is. And for that, we have Suchishmita ma'am, who is a member, a moderator of Health Club. And along with Harisa, going to give a brief about what is happening around. Good morning, ma'am. It's quite a busy morning. And what is this Poshan Pakwada? We are very interesting. The name itself is very intriguing, but then we would like to know from you, what is this all about?
Good morning, sir. And yes, today we have the food fest related to Poshan Pakwara. Poshan Pakwara is basically related to all the diet and the nutrition related things. So it is basically mandated by CBSE that it is a Poshan Pakwara week. Poshan is nutrition and Pakwara is the way it's cooked and all. So today we are observing the food fest with all the 4 houses together, different traditional and cultural foods, and they're going to brief us on the traditional foods, what they have bought, how, like, if they know the history about it, they'll be telling us about that. And that's all about the food fest. So the entire week we have been doing seminars, we have been doing poster makings, and different sorts of activities related to the Poshan Pakwara. And this is what is happening. And there have been various activities, there have been assembly, there have been a skit on a balanced diet also. And so this is what it is all about.
Okay, thank you so much. And I would like to ask one more question before we conclude this. What is the purpose behind doing this? Because that is very important to learn. As you said, mandated by CBSE. What could be the purpose of CBSE, for doing all these activities? What is the purpose?
I feel the purpose is because the children nowadays are not very much aware of the nutritions and all. They are more inclined towards the fast food and junk food and all. So just to make them aware of it, how to manage their diet, how to manage their physical activities, mental health and everything, this is mandated by CBS.
Thank you so much, and thank you Harisa, and thank you Suchishmita ma'am, and we would like to thank Rajak sir as well and all the house moderators for conducting this very nicely. And very in a short while we'll have a food tasting, and that is going to be very interesting because we too are excited what they have made or what they have bought. I think it is going to be a very tasty morning, and definitely we're going to speak with house moderators, with the students as well. Thank you, stay connected. Okay, so the Red House multi-culinary dishes that we have in the table, looking absolutely gorgeous, looking absolutely tasty. First of all, many congratulations to you for preparing and coming out with this wonderful multi-culinary dishes representing different state. I would just like to have a word with you. What was the thought about preparing all this?
Actually, we got only one day, and we asked every day scholar bring everything which is possible and something unique. So that's why today only we got everything, and that's why we arranged everything in today only.
That is very that's what happened. No, you get a very short time, but that's the beauty of the contest, because if you get much more time, things get spoiled. You have a less idea, you have to work on it on a tight spaces, and things comes out very beautifully. Like I see your decoration is looking on point, and then you have come up with the different dishes. Just walk me through the dishes that you have on the table.
There is dhokla.
Okay. And this comes from which state?
It's from Gujarat.
Okay.
Gujarat.
All right. And this?
There is Bihar, litti chokha.
Litti chokha.
There is biryani.
Biryani.
Veg biryani, not
Veg biryani.
Because not allowed in school. Hyderabad, from here, Hyderabad.
All right.
Sail roti from actually Nepali cuisine, and malai kofta from Punjab.
Okay. And let me just switch on to the boys as well, because boys are definitely lurking in to speak. Definitely they are a part of this. They have played a major role, and let me speak to them. Boys, you have done tremendously well. I'm sure you are supported by all the housemates that you have along with you, along with the moderators. Just walk me through the dishes that is on the right side.
Sir,
what do we have in the table?
This is poha from Maharashtra.
Okay, poha from Maharashtra.
This aloo paratha, the famous, you all know the Punjab, the beauty of Punjab. With the dahi. And here we have Bengal's favorite rasagolla.
Right.
And here we have basanti pulao.
Basanti pulao. Yeah, the table is looking very satisfying. Bit of rose, bit of decoration, and then that we have a center table aligned with this wonderful white and red rose. Speaks a lot about the hard work that you put in. Thank you so much for speaking. And then starter, dessert, everything at the end of the day. I hope we'll get to taste a bit of it. If not, then we'll have a bit of problem, I guess. Thank you so much. So now we have switched the table, and now I am in this wonderful blue house table, looking absolutely sumptuous, delicious, nourished, filled with nourishment. And I would like to speak with Yuden. Yuden, definitely a lot of hard work must have gone into baking this. Was it exciting for you to participate in this event?
Yes, sir. It was very exciting, and I learned very good teamwork, being in the team, leading the team, because I'm the house captain this year and of the Nehru House, and we have to be combined.
Yeah, definitely. We have to be combined and we have to work together. And definitely the hard work and the teamwork that you put together is definitely very much visible in the table. And apart from, let's talk about some nourishment, no? Because Poshan Pakwara, the word itself defines that it is not just about food, but it is about balanced diet. It is about the nutrition that we bring in the table. So let's talk about the nourishment. Let's talk about the vitamins, essential minerals, and all this necessary elements that comes into the foods. For that, we have this young girl who definitely would give us a take on the nourishment that has been put into the food. Let's talk about the nourishment.
Good afternoon, sir. Myself Amrita, and I'm representing Blue House, and I'm from 10B. Out here, we have tried to present a very good nutrient fruits.
Yeah, definitely.
So, few days ago, we had a script present in our assembly. So we have taken a lot of points from there, and we have tried to present all those, keeping in mind all the nutrition, vitamins, and everything. So out here we have litti chokha all the way from Bihar, and it is made up of besan and sattu and atta also. So all these elements are very nutrient and full of nutrients, and it keeps us energetic as well. Then we have got rabri. Rabri is a milk-based sweet, and it helps us keeping our calcium level high.
Very good.
Then we also have jaljeera.
Yes.
Jaljeera is made with jeera, and that helps in reduction of acidity and nausea.
Absolutely,
So we have
it does.
all over. We have tried.
Representing different states along with the nourishment on the table, and the most beautiful dish and a very unique, as far as I could see. This is this lovely little green thing. What is it? Can somebody tell me? Who's going to speak on this?
Sir, it is the drumstick curry. As we know that drumstick is a superfood.
Absolutely.
It has benefits in many health aspects. It helps in skin glowing. It helps to keep our hair.
Skin glowing, right? Skin glowing. That's a point to be noted. Skin glowing, right? Okay.
And it also helps to keep our hair healthy, and it also helps to reduce the chances of osteoporosis. Which is
medical condition, which is very serious condition. Thank you so much, and I would like to now switch on to Mr. Adhikari. Mr. Adhikari, give us a take on this wonderful food fest, and I would just like to. What did you learn? What was the take from this entire event? Definitely, there has to be a learning process behind it. It is not just that you were just given an assignment and then you just worked on it. There has to be a purpose in it. What was the purpose behind doing all this?
So the purpose is to display to students that we need to eat a balanced diet in our diet. Without a balanced diet, our body will be very much very in a bad condition, lethargic, and food is very essential for all the work.
And what food we eat, that becomes very important. Right.
It's very important. Without food, we cannot perform any work of our life. So our diet needs to be very much balanced, so that every nutrient, vitamins, minerals comes into our body and plays a vital role in order to do the daily tasks.
Thank you so much, and I would like to ask a short question to Mr. Mandal before concluding this wonderful, delicious conversation with the Blue House. Then we'll go to Green and then Yellow House. Mandal, if given a chance, what food would you love to steal from this without letting your teammates know?
Khichdi is the best.
Oh my God, simple and sober, sometime works a great deal. And thank you so much. Khichdi, I would also love to take khichdi, but my stomach is filled today. I would love to taste something desserty. That is something that I'm looking at. Thank you so much for speaking. We wish you all the best. So now we are with the greenhouse, and greenhouse, as always, Looking very tempting, very delicious. And Momita, just give us a brief about what you have prepared, what is there in the table, and what is the thought behind preparing all this?
Actually, we have different culture over here. Like, as the festive which we are having continued by like a long period of time in Northern Residential, so we are try to cover up all the culture, but basically we are focused on other cultures which are present in our like school, like joining with them, like asking them what's your national, what's your opinion on what recipe you want to bring. So we tried. We have idli dosa, idli with sambar and chutney, with in a different variant. Actually, we have literally the stuffed one.
Oh my God!
One is stuffed and one is plain.
You have broken my heart by breaking it into 2 pieces, by the way.
This is stuffed because children nowadays doesn't eat nutrients. So to give them nutrients and to provide them with like all the energy, we try to stuff it. So they will eat it as for the temptation. Then we have gulab jamun and rasgulla, which is famous for in Kolkata and West Bengal.
And which state does it represent, by the way?
It represents West Bengal.
Okay,
and
fine,
this is our Tamil,
Okay,
Karnataka.
okay,
And we
okay.
have this sandesh, and this is made at home with burfi, and this is sandesh made at home, and we have sale roti.
Oh
Now
my-
Nepalis have different cultures, we know very well.
Definitely.
So yes,
Who
sale
would
roti
know better than me?
Yes, so they have this sale roti and that aloo, which is their main course. Some
Yeah,
of
yeah,
them.
definitely,
All the festive they make it,
Yeah.
and we have malpua,
Malpua, yes.
Bengalis,
Yeah,
Navratris,
definitely.
and Nepali momo,
Yes.
which is steamed
Yes.
and filled
Right.
with veggies for
Right.
the good health for the children, and always Bihar,
Bihar, Thekua, it's something. Oh my
with,
God.
nourished with
Kaju and
Kaju
all.
and all.
A
And we
garnishing
have
has been done.
mocha. This also Bihari food with dal puri.
Okay, dal puri,
Dal
right,
puri,
right.
and we have litti chokha, and we have shahi paneer
Shahi
as always,
paneer, my God.
and shahi paneer and bada pav,
Vada pav.
pav bhaji actually, which is from Mumbai,
Right.
and we all attempted for it. We
Yeah,
did very well.
definitely. While you were walking me through this beautiful main course that you have prepared along with some dessert, my mind was skipping from Darjeeling to South India to Maharashtra, and it is looking very lovely, very neat, very clean. You must have watched a bit of MasterChef because those intricate design that you have come up with, it's looking very lovely. Those are the little detailings which brings a whole lot into the table, and those little flowers. And let me bring in Anisha here. Anisha, I'm sure it's not just 4 of you. In fact, the entire school from your house must have come and joined you in preparing this. How thankful are you to them and to the school for, kind of hosting this wonderful, because this is something unique, something different at the same time. It has a learning curve in it, which is a balanced diet is very important. What's your take on it, Anisha?
Yes, sir. Of course, we are very thankful. We all, the students who are representing our house, that is Greenhouse, we all are very thankful to our school as well as the whole of our management for giving us an opportunity to display such a beautiful, something unique.
Yeah, very unique.
And this also gives us the knowledge of different types of food, different traditions, different cultures. That our India is always a diverse country. So that we come to know across the diversity, the different types of foods and how they are made and all.
Yeah, definitely. So, did you made anything from your end?
Yes, sir. I made the lassi. That is the most famous energy drink we can also say.
Lassi. It's coming from Punjab. Yeah. Shere Punjab. Yeah. Thank you so much, Anisha. Now let me just walk to Mr. Kinjal Bhattacharya. Mr. Bhattacharya, just give a thought on this entire event. It is very unique, very different. Did you enjoy the entire event? Because participation, it is definitely there, but you can only give your best performance when you enjoy the event. Did you enjoy the event?
Yes, especially this is my favorite event in the season because I especially love eating food and items. Whenever it's a special, various items,
definitely.
And my favorite,
It's standing right in front of you. I'm drooling as well. You're
Yes.
drooling as well. The entire school is drooling.
both the West Bengal of special foods, the rasgulla and gulab jamun.
Right.
And you can see other states' food also.
Yeah, definitely.
For example, litti chokha we have, as Momita already shared. Those
Momita, yes, already
especially
Anisha.
idli made up of handmade, obviously.
Right. And what is unique about, like she said, it is stuffed with, which is something very different. I've never seen a idli stuffed with something. And like she said, children doesn't eat good food. Definitely not just children. In fact, the entire human race has, kind of gone from a good eating to a bad eating. And this definitely to tell our audience is to bring focus on a balanced diet, so that we start eating a balanced diet, so that our body remains healthy, so we live long. And thank you so much. And yes, definitely, how can I leave Mr. Burman? Burman, my last question to you. If given a chance, okay, definitely, whether you'll get a chance or not, we don't know. But then, if you get a chance to steal a food, sneak one food right in their nose, what would it be? Which food would you like to steal? Oh my God, Rasgulla. Steal one for me as well, okay?
Okay, sir.
Thank you so much for speaking, and we wish you all the best. It's looking lovely, sumptuous, and yeah, food tasting is going to be magical, and I'll come and taste your food as well, and definitely thank you so much for speaking. So last but not the least, we are in the table of Yellow House, which is looking very, very exciting. Multi-culinary dishes have been put into the demonstration. Eye-pleasing, mouth-watering, lip-smacking. I don't have adjective to define it. But then, to give us a brief about this entire food feast, which Yellow House has participated very vigorously, very energetically, I have Dipshika Sharma with us. Dipshika, give us a brief what we have on this table. It is looking multi-culinary, but give us a brief on it.
A very welcome, sir. A very good afternoon, first of all. And it's welcome to our Inter-House Traditional Food Fest. We are presenting you various dishes from various regions of India. And we have, from South India, we have idli, dosa, sambar. There.
Along with chutney.
Yeah, along with chutney.
Right.
And from Rajasthan region, we have dal bati churma and papri chutney and all that sort of thing. From Maharashtra, we have popular street food, pav bhaji.
Pav bhaji.
Everybody has tasted
Everybody
it.
loves it.
And from
Who does not love pav
Nepal,
bhaji?
we have sev roti and aloo which is a very
And this
traditional food.
fermented radish chutney and this dalle korsani, my God, this is
Yes, sir.
absolutely
And
a match made in heaven.
Yes, sir. And it's especially used in traditional like occasions, special occasions, festivals like Dasai and
Dasai, Tihar,
Tihar,
during
Kartika
birthdays
and
as well.
all, yes, sir. It's occasionally used. And from that side, she'll speak.
And then now we have Roop Katha. Roop Katha will give a brief on the food that is on our right side. Roop Katha, there is so much in the table, more than what meets the eye. Give us a brief on it.
So we have tried to depict all the regions of India in our palette today. We have taste from north to south, from west to east. So in here we have our Bengali cuisine where we have malpua, luchi with aloo dum, mishti doi and rasgulla, everyone's true favorite. Then we have from Bihar litti chokha, satte ki roti and chachi, which is also, we also have a very popular cuisine of our Muslim community. We have the shevai.
Shevai, yes.
And you can see every food has different kind of palettes which adds different tastes to it. So we have tried to depict most of it, most of them we can enough.
Definitely. And let's talk about, let's not look it from the taste angle which we have already explored. It is looking absolutely healthy. Let's talk about let's talk from the angle of health and nutrients. What do you think, what healthy elements that you have incorporated in your table?
Salad, first of all, it's very healthy.
Definitely.
And everything here is healthy only. We have balanced diet.
Balanced diet, yes.
We have this sattu ki roti, which is very healthy, proteinaceous, fibrous food. And then
yes, this is very healthy.
Mishti doi is also very, very, very
it helps in digestion, yes.
And
and yes, it is looking absolutely lovely. And then it is not just about the taste, but it is more about the health and the balanced diet. And through this portion pakwara, that is what we are going to that's what we have tried to focus. Thank you so much for speaking. And before we let you go, I would like to speak with the boys as well. Just a simple question: if given an opportunity to steal one food from the table, what food would you like to steal?
Sir, I am Nepali. That's why I will of course steal my sel roti because I love it.
Definitely, sel roti, like she said, it is our tradition. It is deeply rooted in our tradition. And to her as well, if given a chance to steal one food from the table or from your opponent's table, what food would it be?
It's a greenhouse momos.
Greenhouse momo. Okay. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for speaking. We wish you all the best, and definitely the more, what do you call, the audience are coming. They're absolutely loving this food fest, and we wish you all the best, and best of luck for your future endeavors. And at the end of this portion pakwada, finger crossed, I hope we get to taste it as well. Thank you so much. It's looking wonderful. Thank you so much. Okay, so we have got hold of few students who have come to witness the unfolding of this wonderful event, a delicious event. Should I say this is Poshan Pakwara, mandated by CBSE, and today we have this food fest. The children are coming in to see and support their housemates, classmates, and let me just ask to Kritika. Kritika, what's your take on this?
Overall, the preparation of Blue House has been done very well. All the preparations just look so amazing. It looks very south and it's very Indian culture. I really liked it.
Yeah, and let's speak to Dedan. Dedan, it's a visual treat, but unfortunately will not get to test. But then, what do you think? Which is looking better, considering all the four house?
I personally believe Blue House is the best.
Okay, are you from the Blue House?
I am.
That is being biased. Did you check all the four platter that is being beautifully decorated on the table?
I have checked, but then still I did find Blue House the best, and everything looks really good.
Is it mouth-watering?
It is.
But then, unfortunately, we won't get to test. But then, yeah, definitely. Thank you so much for speaking with us. I hope at the end of this event we'll get to taste a bite of it, because it is looking tasty, isn't it?
It is.
And if given a chance, what would you like to taste?
Litti Chokha I would like to taste.
And you, Didan?
I'd like to eat momo from that table.
Oh, momo. Chalo, momo. All right, so we have litti chokha and momo. Thank you so much for speaking with us. We'll let you go. All right, so after speaking with the girls, now we have got hold of these two young boys who would love to speak on this food fest. And you have seen what your friends have prepared. Did you like the event?
Definitely, I love the event. The lot of dishes from every part of the country, and it looks very tempting and delicious too.
Right.
Every we have from Bihar, we have from South India, North India, we have from West, East. So it just looks beautiful and amazing, and it's a very
eye-pleasing. No, it looks very and tremendous amount of hard work have gone into making this event. And definitely, Ayush, given a chance, which food would you like to taste from all the four houses you have checked? You had a conversation with your friends. Which looks more mouth-watering? If given a don't say momo, okay?
So for me, being a Nepali, I would like to choose Sel Roti over there. Because it's kind of pride for Nepalis.
Yeah, definitely.
It looks very delicious, and with those aludums and that Sel Roti, it will be very tempting. And all of the houses have decorated the foods very nicely. It looks very nice and pleasing. And the Blue House is also going pretty well. They have like choose every food from every part of our country.
Definitely.
Like from West Bengal, and every the foods they have chosen are very like
It's from a different state, trying to represent different state. It's looking very tempting, and definitely you said Sel Roti, and I'm doubting here your inclination towards Blue House underlines the fact that you are from the Blue House, isn't it? Yeah, that's what. So yeah, we have got a full support for the Blue House. Two of the girls and one boy has given a support for the Blue House. Now let me ask this to him. I'm very sorry, I forgot your name. I'm very bad at remembering the name. But then again, if given a chance, which food, a dessert or anything that is decorated on the table, you would love to or like to taste?
I would love to taste all the desserts of this West Bengal.
Right,
West Bengal is known, Rasgulla. West Bengal is known for their sweets. So I would definitely love to taste all the sweets out here. And definitely.
And which house you are supporting?
Of course, I'm from Yellow House, so I would like to support my house.
All right. So after a considerable vote, the Blue is leading. Considering the feedback by 2-1, we have got one support from a Yellow House who he happens to be from a Yellow House, definitely. So inclination will go to the Yellow House. Thank you boys for speaking with us, and yeah, definitely, who does not love Sel Roti? Yeah, definitely, everybody loves Sel Roti, tradition, pride of Nepali. Thank you so much for speaking. Hope you'll get to eat more Sel Roti in the future. Thank you so much for speaking. We have spoken with the team member of the respective houses who have participated participated in this Poshan Pakwada Food Fest. Now let's speak with the house moderator of Blue House, that is Disha ma'am, along with Jasmine ma'am. Unfortunately, Jasmine ma'am is not here, but she was very busy along with Disha ma'am and this 4 guys preparing, decorating this entire table. It has to, it is not just about the taste, it is about the way it looks as well. The presentation is also very important. Disha ma'am, how entertaining was this? Because definitely you must have enjoyed working with your students, and it gives an opportunity to know the students as well, the new students. How enjoyable and how entertaining was it?
It was actually quite entertaining. We all literally enjoyed, right from the beginning, from, assigning duties to everyone, collecting, food items, then telling the students you need to do that, you need to do this, okay? Then assigning duties, because several students have taken different duties. So in a nutshell, it was we were quite enthusiastic all throughout the process. Not only us as the moderators, but the students also. They were, quite enthusiastic. They were happy, and they seemed to be very energetic. Okay, and they are just waiting for their presentation and all. So all total, it was a thrilling experience.
Thrilling experience. That's what we want for children to experience as well, because it is not just about giving them assignment, but it is about living in the moment, which is enjoying the moment. Thank you so much for speaking with us, Disha ma'am. We wish you all the best, because the nervy and tipsy moment is yet to arrive. The heads of the school will come, taste the food and give their perception about it. Thank you so much, and for that we wish you all the best. And along with you, house moderator teammates have done a tremendous job. It's looking very mouth-watering. Thank you so much for speaking. All right, so we have just now spoken with Disha ma'am, who is the house moderator of the Blue House. Now we are with the house moderator of Greenhouse, that is Lisa ma'am, who has worked very hard since morning, because we have noticed since morning they were very busy decorating this table. And what is the thought behind, it is not just about the taste, but it is much more about putting a nutrients on the table. And give us a thought on this actually.
I would like to, highlight that how the students, they have collectively come together. It shows the teamwork as well, and also their responsibility, how whatever work was given to them, they responsibly fulfilled it. You can see that we have, showcased almost touched every, part of India, right?
Absolutely.
And we have kept it mostly home cooked foods, because nowadays we all are more inclined towards, junk food. So we can substitute that with our tasty home cooked meals, and that was our only motive out here, to provide the best of nutrients, as we saw in our assembly. Also the balanced diet, isn't it? You can see here a lot of protein, and the morning breakfast needs to be very healthy, so that it gives us the energy to go on the entire day. And that was, the basic concept. You can see we have there over the west pav bhaji, we have from Punjab, shahi paneer. We have kept some sweet and savory together, because ultimately India is diverse, right? And our palate is also diverse as such, and that was our, you can say, motive, along with our teamwork and just coming in together and spreading that versatility of India.
Absolutely. It's teaching everything together, collaborative approach, and this is more about peer learning, because it is not just about making I'm sure we had so many thought going into it before coming into this, putting this table, team discussion, and definitely it builds a sense of belongingness towards the school, and absolutely
owning that yes, this is India, and we are proud to represent India.
Definitely. And definitely so many varieties in table, representing the beautiful culture of the state. Not only the beautiful culture, but a healthy culture of the Indian state, because like ma'am said, in a student life it is very important to eat healthy, because like you said, definitely there is no second thought about it. Children are more inclined towards the junk food, and through this Poshan Pakwada, our sole purpose is definitely you can have a junk food someday or the other, but your inclination should be more towards the healthy food, because there is so much variety in healthy food, and healthy food looks more tasty than the junk food. Thank you for speaking, and thank you for this lovely presentation, wonderful decoration. Everything is coming up very nicely. Now the nervy and tipsy moment is yet to arrive. Tasting is yet to come. I'm sure definitely they are going to love it. Thank you so much. Thank you. तो जैसे कि पोषण पखवाड़ा का सेशन चल रहा है, ये पूरा सप्ताह हमारा पोषण पखवाड़ा का कैंपेन चल रहा था, विच इज़ मैंडेटेड बाय CBSE, नो डाउट अबाउट इट. और अभी हम रीता मैम से हैं, जो PGT हिंदी बहुत सीनियर टीचर है हमारे, जो मॉडरेटर भी है येलो हाउस के. मैम, ये करने का मकसद क्या रहा?
सर ये पोषण पखवाड़ा से हम बच्चों को बता सकते हैं कि हमारे खाने में क्या पोषक तत्व है। बच्चे जंक फूड से दूर हटेंगे और खाने की पौष्टिकता को जानेंगे। इससे इन्हें हर विभिन्न संस्कृति के खाने के बारे में भी पता चलेगा और बच्चे प्रोत्साहित होंगे कि हम पोषक तत्वों को ही लें, जिससे इनका स्वास्थ्य हितकारी रहे।
और जैसे कि मैम ने बताया, मुख्य क्या बोलते हैं, सोल पर्पस बिहाइंड कंडक्टिंग दिस पोषण पखवाड़ा वाज टू मेक अवेयर स्टूडेंट की हाँ, जंक फूड ही नहीं है, जंक फूड से हट के हमारे भारत में इतने विभिन्न खान पीन है जिसमें आपका भरपूर प्रोटीन, भरपूर व्हाट डू यू कॉल इट, विटामिन, पोषक तत्व है। और थैंक यू सो मच मैम बच्चे को इतना अच्छे तरह से गाइड करने के लिए, और हमने टेस्ट भी किया, बहुत लजीज, बहुत अच्छा भी बनाया है। एंड थैंक यू सो मच। ऐसे ही और इवेंट होते रहे, ऐसे ही हम सब आके ऐसे ही स्कूल का इवेंट को और आगे बढ़ाते जाए। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर स्पीकिंग मैम, विल लेट यू गो। So now we are with the house moderator of Red House, that is Naidu House. Ma'am, give your take on this. It is indeed looking very lovely, very sumptuous, but there must have been a tremendous amount of hard work which must have gone through behind preparing this. And we would like to know a sole purpose behind conducting this Poshan Pakwada or food feast in our school.
Okay, so first of all, I would like to say that we all are celebrating this Poshan Pakwada, where we basically try to introduce the food of various parts of our India, where you can see we have portrayed things coming from West Bengal, coming from Tamil Nadu and all. That means we are trying to show the variety or show the diversity of food that we consume in our country, India.
Thank you so much, and definitely there is so much of variety representing different culture and different states of India, the lovely diversity that we have. And not only that, the main purpose, like she said, and rest of the house moderator along with the member, the student said, it is not just about the taste or the preference of our palate, but it is more about the healthy, inclining, abstaining from eating those junk food and eating the healthy and giving more nutrients to our body so that we live long. And definitely, and thank you so much for speaking with us, Indu ma'am, and it is indeed looking very lovely, and wish you all the best for it. Thank you.